everyone, Carolyn Braden here. Today I'm going to talk to you about this product that came across my desk recently, and I'm very glad that it did. It's called Soap in Seconds. So right from the beginning, I'm going to show you how this product works. It comes in an aerosol type of a can. It's got a little cap that's got a cover on it, and all you do is shake it first, then you twist it, then you take it and squirt it into your hands. It kind of looks like shaving cream a little bit. And then take your other hand and just blend it into your skin. And guess what it does? It cleans your hands just like real soap and water. Smells kind of fresh. Not perfumey, not citrusy, just kind of a clean, fresh scent. And my hands are still a little bit wet, so I'm just gonna keep rubbing it until the product gets into my skin. Now my hands feel nice and clean. Here is why I love this product and why I'm so glad that I came across it when I did. I just moved to Sanibel Island in Florida, which is an area that is prone to hurricanes. I know for a fact there's been times when this island, during the hurricane season and during very large hurricanes, when it's been without power and when it's been without water. So when you don't have water, you can't wash like you would regularly. So that's why this is a product that's going in my hurricane kit for sure. If I was without running water for several days, I know I would feel kind of gross, and sure, hand sanitizer could help and it just sanitizes your hands, but it doesn't really clean your hands. So I know having this on hand, which is soap and water all in one, would definitely make me feel more clean, more sanitary, and safe. Being a former teacher, I know this is something I would definitely use in the classroom. I used to teach art, and there was a project where I had the kids mix colors of pudding to make new colors. And every time we did that project, I always thought, oh, their hands are gonna end up right in their mouths. And so I thought, we've gotta clean these kids' hands. And so I would always buy baby wipes, with my own money, of course. And it was a whole time-consuming and kind of costly project, but I love doing it. And so I know now if I was in a classroom again, I would have this on hand and I'd be like, okay, we're gonna do the pudding project. Put out your hands, rub it into your hands, and their hands would be clean and safe, and we could eat all the pudding in the world. My father-in-law is a golfer, so this is something that I would also say golfers could keep in their bag, because when you're out on the course and your hands, if they get dirty, you have no way of really washing them. So this would be a good product to have for golfers. This is a great product to keep in your RV. This would also be a great product to take with you maybe to the grocery store. So after you leave and you touch the carts and all the products, you don't just have to use a drying hand sanitizer. That would just leave your hands sanitized, but not necessarily clean. So maybe take this with you the next time you go to the grocery. I think I'm gonna put this in my picnic bag too, because we like to do picnics on the beach, and you're on the beach, there's no soap and water. So here comes Soap in Seconds to the rescue. This product is available on the rockdoctor.com website, and it's also available on amazon.com. On Amazon, mine came in a set of 3, and you only see 2 here because I gave one to my mother, who is also living in a hurricane zone. So I thought it would be good for her to have one on hand as well. Now you may be wondering, sure, we saw you use it at the beginning of the video, but does it really clean your hands? Like if you have dirt on your hands, does it actually get the dirt off your hands and not just make your hands feel clean? Well, let's try it out. So one way I envision using this is maybe if you've been working in the yard or if you've been out hiking, you're going to have kind of dirty hands. So I went outside and I got some dirt and rubbing it into my hands, because this is kind of what happens when I'm working out in the yard if I'm not wearing gloves, and if I'm out hiking, my hands get kind of messy and dirty. So here is how Soap in Seconds can help you if you have dirty hands like that. So I'm gonna take these super dirty hands and take some of the Soap in Seconds, shake it up, put it on my hands like so, use a decent amount, and then rub it into my hands, and you can see how the dirt is already starting to come off my hands. Now this will clean your hands and get your hands fairly clean. Some of that dirt is going to stick around, so that is where I recommend taking a towel and wiping your hands with that towel to get the rest of the dirt off. And my hands are mostly clean. I still see a little bit of dirt in here, so that's when, if my hands are super dirty like they were, I would just do a second round. You know, some of those kids, when they come in off the playground, if you're a teacher, you know their hands are sometimes extra dirty like that. Just do a second round. Take a towel, a paper towel, or just like a dish rag or something like I'm using. And now my hands are super clean, they feel super soft, and they smell fantastic. So here's proof, soap in seconds really does work. So the next time you're looking for a product that can clean your hands, instead of trying the hand sanitizer, try soap in seconds. If you have any questions or comments about this video or this product, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back with you as soon as I get a chance. If you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe to this channel, do so now. And if you haven't had a chance yet to like this video, do so now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com